Good morning everyone, and I have come with my new video. So in this video we will study science, temperature and heat chapter 4. So let's start this video. So before starting this video I would like to ask you that do you know what is temperature? The degree of hotness or coldness of a body or a place is temperature. So temperature means that any hot any object or any person which is having hot or coldness in his body, so it is called temperature. Like suppose the temperature of Shimla is -3 degrees Celsius, so it is coldness. And if there is -32 degrees Celsius in Rajasthan, so it is hotness. So it means that it is showing that how much cold or how much hot is there in that place. So like this is a frying pan, and if your mother is cooking something, so if you will touch the frying pan, so it will burn your hands because it is hot in temperature. Now the method of measuring hotness or coldness is the by the sense of touch. And this method how we use? By touching any object or any person. Like as I have given example, this frying pan, if you will touch this frying pan, so your brain will command you that remove your hand fastly, so you will remove it. Like you have, if you see boiling milk, so if you try to touch it, so it will burn your hands. So for measuring this degree of hotness or coldness of any person or object, so we use thermometer. As if you are suffering from fever, so your mother or father take you to the doctor, and doctor measure your temperature by the instrument known as thermometer. Thermometer is like this, and there are three types of thermometer: clinical thermometer, then laboratory thermometer, then mercury thermometer. So now let's discuss temperature of scale. So this is temperature scale. So what is temperature scale? There are two commonly used scales, are the Celsius and the Fahrenheit scale. There is a third scale, the Kelvin scale. So in the temperature scale there are two commonly scales known as Celsius scale and Fahrenheit scale. So this is a thermometer, and in this thermometer there are two scales. This is the Celsius scale and this is the Fahrenheit scale. And there is also a third scale known as Kelvin scale, but in this video we will not discuss Kelvin scale because we will study in higher classes. So now we will move on to Celsius scale. The scale is indicated by degree Celsius. Read as degree Celsius in honor of Andreas Celsius. So this Celsius scale is indicated as, because Celsius is a big word and scientists do not have time to write this much big word, so they have make a short form like for Celsius degree Celsius, and we will read it as degree Celsius. And degree Celsius, who invented Celsius? In honor of Andreas Celsius. So now we will move on to Fahrenheit scale. So this is the Fahrenheit scale. So what it is telling, this scale is indicated by degree Fahrenheit. So it means that as we have studied in Celsius context, so we write Celsius as degree Celsius. So for writing Fahrenheit we will write degree Fahrenheit. So we will read it as degree Fahrenheit. So on this scale 32 degree Fahrenheit is taken as the melting point of pure ice, and 212 degree Fahrenheit as the boiling point of water. So it means that in this is the Fahrenheit scale. So while the Fahrenheit scale is at 32, then it is taken as the melting point of the ice, and when this Fahrenheit scale is at 212 degree Fahrenheit, then it is known as the boiling point of water. So as in Celsius scale there is 0 degree for the melting of the pure ice and 100 degree for the melting water. So these are the two scales scales, and if you want, if there is question comes in exam that draw Celsius and Fahrenheit scale, so you will draw like this. So now we will discuss conversion formula. So this is the conversion formula. So what is the formula of Fahrenheit? Bracket C is for Celsius. So C into 9 by 5 plus 32. So this is the formula of Fahrenheit, and this is the formula of Celsius. 5 bracket Fahrenheit minus 32 bracket close divided by 9. So now this is the example of Fahrenheit and this is the example of Celsius. So now we will understand this example. So what is the question? Convert 86 degree Fahrenheit to Celsius. So as it is telling that we have to convert 86 degree Fahrenheit to Celsius. So what is the formula of Celsius? So Celsius, 5 bracket F minus 32, then bracket close slash and 9. So now here is the solution. C is for Celsius, then 5 bracket, then this is the formula, and now in place of Fahrenheit we have written 86 degree, and now we will subtract these both, then we will get the result 54. Then we will divide and finally we will get 30, and when we will do the answer, so we will get 30 degrees Celsius. Now the second question for Celsius, the temperature during a hot day in Delhi was 45 degrees Celsius. Express this temperature in degree Fahrenheit. So Fahrenheit so what is the formula? C into 9 by 5 plus 32. So C is given as 45 degree. C is denoting 45. Then the answer will be 45 into 9 by 5 plus 32 degree Fahrenheit equals to 81 plus 32, and the answer will be 113 Fahrenheit. So now my video is completed, and I hope you must be understanding this video, and in next video we will discuss how many types of thermometer and how it works. So please like, subscribe, and thank you.